Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice exponential equation. Here 2 power 3x plus 2 power x, this is equals to 10. Here we need to calculate the value of x where x belongs to real number. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Here 2 power 3x plus 2 power x, this is equals to 10. We know that base and exponent rule, a power m times n, this is equals to a power m bracket power n. If we apply this rule here, then you can say 2 power 3 bracket power x and plus 2 power x, this is equals to 10. Now we will apply this rule, a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power n bracket power m. If we apply this rule, then this 3 and this x are interchanged. Then here 2 power x bracket power 3 plus 2 power x, and this is equals to 10. Now we will apply substitution, and if we substitute 2 power x, this is equals to m. Then this equation is 2 power x is replaced by m power 3 plus 2 power x is m, and this is equals to 10. Now look carefully. In left hand side we have m cube plus m, and this is equals to 10. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then m cube plus m, and this plus 10, if we take left hand side, then this is minus 10, and this is equals to 0. Now m cube plus m minus, look carefully here, m cube and here m. So we will write this 10 as 8 plus 2, and this is equals to 0. M cube plus m, this minus is multiplied by inside the bracket, then minus 8 minus 2, and this is equals to 0. M cube plus m minus 8 is, this 8 is 2 power 3 minus 2, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully this term and this term. Here m cube minus 2 cube, and here plus m minus 2 plus m minus 2, this is equals to 0. Now first we will write this expression in next page, m cube minus 2 cube plus m minus 2, this is equals to 0. Here we will apply a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube. We know that difference between two cubes is equals to a minus b is multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. Then this m cube minus 2 cube is m minus 2 is multiplied by m square plus m times 2 plus 2 square plus, and here m minus 2, m minus 2, and this is equals to 0. Now this m minus 2 and this m minus 2 is common. So if we take common m minus 2, then inside the bracket m square plus m times 2 is 2m plus 2 square is 4 plus 1, and this is equals to 0. Here m minus 2 times m square plus 2m plus 4 plus 1 is 5, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side we have m minus 2 is multiplied by m square plus 2m plus 5, and this is equals to 0. Now here we will apply this rule. If a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Suppose this expression is a and this expression is b, and if we apply this rule, then you can say m minus 2 this is equals to 0 or m square plus 2m plus 5 this is equals to 0. Here value of m is equals to 2. But look carefully, here we have a quadratic equation in terms of m, and here we will talk about only real solutions. So first we will check discriminant of this quadratic equation by using discriminant formula. And we know that value of a is 1, and here value of b is 2 and value of c is 5, because coefficient of m square is a and coefficient of m is b and constant term is c. And we know that discriminant d is equals to b square minus 4ac. Value of b is 2 square minus 4 and value of a is 1 and value of c is 5. Then 2 square is 4 minus 4 times 5 is 20. Here discriminant of this quadratic equation is minus 16. Here discriminant is negative. It means no real roots. No real roots. Here m is equals to 2. And we know that value of m is 2 power x. So this m is replaced by 2 power x and this is equals to 2. Here 2 power x this is equals to 2 power 1. Base is same, so power is also same, then you can say x is equals to 1. Now check this solution is correct or not. The given exponential equation is 2 power 3x plus 2 power x this is equals to 10. 2 power 3x plus 2 power x and this is equals to 10. 2 power 3 this x is replaced by 1 plus 2 power this x is replaced by 1 and this is equals to 10. 2 power 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 power 1 is 2 and this is equals to 10. We know that 2 power 3 is 8 plus 2 and this is equals to 10. In left hand side 8 plus 2 is 10 and this is equals to 10. Here left hand side and right hand side both are equal. If you substitute x is equals to 1 in given exponential equation, it means x is equals to 1 is a correct solution. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.